just finished to unbox this keyboard. And as you can see, may libreng armrest. Yun yung maganda sa binili natin. And mamaya, may free din na keyboard, mouse. May kasamang mouse. And this mechanical keyboard, K618 MAMBA snake. And this mechanical gaming keyboard are the right to choose because most gamers prefer mechanical keyboards because they more tactile, durable, and faster. And ito na nga, may free tayong mouse kasi dun sa binili ko sa Shopee, may pagpipilian ka kung gusto mo na walang mouse or may mouse. And napili kong may mouse. And medyo nadagdagan lang yung price. Pero kapag gusto mo ng mura and affordable, keyboard na lang yung pipiliin mo. Pero affordable naman talaga siya overall. And ito, may magnet siya for armrest. Itong keyboard natin is a metal plate. Maganda siya kasi for girls. Kasi ako, gamer ako, and alam ko mas gusto ko to and bagay sa amin, sa aming mga babae. And most gamers prefer mechanical keyboard because they're more tactile, like what I said earlier, durable and faster. And sa likod may stand tayo. And galing nga siya sa China yata. May stand siya para hindi magasgas yung likod. And metal plate yung kulay niya. May pagpipilian kasi sa Shopee. May black, may white, or may metal plate. And may mouse. I chose na bilhin yung may mouse. And may guide tayo dito para alam natin kung ano yung pipindutin natin for RGB backlight. And let's try the RGB lights. Press Fn plus 1, streamer light. Press Fn plus 2, streamer breathing light. Press Fn plus 3, mixed light flashes. Press Fn plus 4, 7 color switching. Yan. Nasa-switch siya every color. May variety of color. Press Fn plus 5. Monochrome breathing. Yan, maraming variety of colors kung ano yung mas prefer nyo. And press Fn plus 6. Red and green 2 color flash. Press Fn plus 7. Blue and red are flashing. Flicker, nag-flicker. And press Fn +8, red and green and blue color switch. Yan, may sort of colors. What do you prefer habang nagta-type? And press FN +9, mix light blue, red. And nakikita nyo na maganda yung tunog niya kasi mechanical gaming keyboard nga siya. And nakaka-satisfy yung sounds. And I prefer this. And overall view, maganda siya. And affordable. Nabili ko siya sa Shopee for worth 1,756 kasama na yung shipping fee, and overseas pa siya galing, kaya yun, medyo pricey pero napaka-affordable na talaga niya kasi may kasama siyang mouse. Pero kapag wala siyang kasamang mouse is 999 lang kasama na yung shipping nun. So I prefer na kasama yung mouse kasi yung mouse ko sira na. So, napaka-affordable niya. And may kasama siyang pen holder and cellphone holder. Para din sa mga nag-online class. Ito yung kasamang may mouse. And pwede mo siyang palitan. Variety of colors din siya. May red, may blue, may pink, and yung nasa ilalim is color red. Sabi, mas maganda daw na color blue yung nasa ilalim kasi mas mabilis mag-click and mas matibay. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching this quick review. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And comment down below kung may nasabi ako na mali or may kulang pa sa mga sinabi ko. And overall, this nice, great, and perfect para sa mga gamers or sa mga nag-online class.